I arrived with a working fire here at 9420 Warsaw Road. We had a large barn on fire, multiple vehicles involved, and we had an attached house that was starting to go. There was no animals involved in this location. The homeowner's house is actually attached to the barn area, and luckily it had a good firewall, so the fire was able to stay in the barn area. The crews prevented it from going into his living quarters. We immediately started a second alarm and additional equipment to help with the water supply. Yeah, we got a lot of hay bales inside. There's some farm equipment and propane tanks that we're going to have to work with. This property, there were no animal injuries. We had a little bit of an exposure issue on the barn next door. Town of Batavia units were able to get over there with some help from Stafford and Caledonia, and those guys made a good stop to keep that barn from having any problems over there. We had some manpower issues this morning. I called in trucks from as far away as Brockport and to assist with this.